We're in beautiful Vietnam with VinFast.
VinFast is North America's newest electric car company. It's part of the Vin Group, the largest industrial complex in Vietnam.
Both the VF8 and VF9 will be here in North America by the end of the year. Let's get in and take this VF8 for a ride.
Andrea, we have some guests with us.
We sure do. We've got Hugh.
And what's your name?
I'm Young.
Young in the back. All right. So we have, this is our instructor and a videographer in the back seat. This is a lot of fun and different from the way we usually do it.
It certainly is. We're not used to having guests. See how fast this thing goes.
Ooh, electric
Wow.
cars. A lot of speed, a lot of power. Andrea,
So smooth.
what's under the floor of this VF8?
There are two VF8 models, Eco and Plus, with two battery options, standard and enhanced range, both all-wheel drive. Eco has 349 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, with 420 kilometers for standard range and 471 kilometers for enhanced. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is estimated at 5.9 seconds.
The Plus model has 402 horsepower and 457 pound-feet of torque with 400 kilometers of range, 447 kilometers of range with the Enhanced model. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in this is estimated at 5.5 seconds. Andrea, what are the key standard features of the VF8?
The base trim comes with a heat pump, a 15.6-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a power driver and passenger seat, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, leatherette interior, available leather, heated and power folding exterior mirrors, a manual liftgate, available power liftgate, LED headlights and LED taillights, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert.
So one thing you'll notice about this car is it has big, blocky letters for park, reverse, neutral, drive. What else can we put it in?
You got to put it in S for subscribe. And if you can hit that notification bell, you'll be notified when all of our reviews drop in, and then you can watch them.
And we do this, the couple car review, twice a week. Not always from Vietnam, though. So make sure you like and subscribe, but also follow along on Instagram. It's Motormouth_Andrea to get a sneak peek behind the scenes. Great pictures from Vietnam, by the way.
Yeah.
And I'm Motormouth_Auto, and the links are below the like button. This video is brought to you by Car Cost Canada. Get the dealer's cost, list of rebates, plus discounted interest rates. Use the promo code MOTORMOUTH to become an expert member and get extra searches. The link is in the description below.
I got to tell you, I like the way that this drives. If I compare it to something like, let's say, the Model Y with a firmer suspension, this is kind of in between. You get this smooth ride, but you still feel a few bumps in the road.
I find the feedback through the steering wheel is pretty good. I mean, you
Yeah.
typically with electric car can have a numb feeling on the steering, but this one you actually feel the imperfections in the road, which is what you want. It does bounce a little over the bumps, but
Yeah.
it's not bad at all.
I like the feeling of this steering wheel. This one is quite thin.
Yeah, it has a good feeling in the hand. Do you want to talk about the outside and then the inside, Andrea?
Yeah,
Because
let's do
this is a Pininfarina design on the outside, so Italian. You can see almost with the V they've done in the front, you could say it has a bit of an Alfa Romeo kind of look to it. I don't
Yeah.
mind that. I think it's a good looking car.
I think the exterior design of this looks fabulous. It has a European vibe to it, which makes sense, an Italian designer. And this comes standard with LED headlights and LED taillights. And take a look at the back taillights. Kind of has a bit of a Mustang vibe to it.
So on size, closest competitor to this in the electric space would be the Tesla Model Y, which is on the bigger end of the compact space. They're calling it a midsize here in Vietnam, and I would kind of agree with that. We'll talk about the dimensions on the inside in just a moment, but you know what? I would say something like a Ford Edge would be close in comparison to size.
I really like the slope roofline. VinFast did this for aerodynamic efficiency so that you will get better range, which is obviously one of the most important things to consumers when buying an electric vehicle.
So let's talk about the inside. There's no sunroof on this base model, but it is on the higher trim.
Yes, and this comes with a 15.6-inch touchscreen. There are some hard key buttons for temperature on the bottom. They stay on the screen. You've got the center console with a button shifter. There is some softer materials in here along with hard plastic. And I like the trim piece that is has a little bit of detail and a pattern to it as well.
Yeah,
some high gloss black here at the center console as well.
So they're going for a strip of carbon fiber
Yeah.
look. This hard plastic here on the dash pad right in front of me, I would prefer if that was coated with something, but
Yeah.
you know what? As a first effort from a brand new brand,
Yeah.
I would say I give this totally a passing grade on the inside.
Well, interestingly enough, the center console here, which is where you would see hard plastic, is soft touch
Yeah.
material.
Yeah, so they giveth and they taketh away.
Yes. Now, moving to the rear seat, it doesn't slide or recline, but I gotta tell you, there is a lot of space back there.
So I didn't do my usual shot of me getting in because it's very quick here.
Yeah.
But you can see the leg room is ample. I wouldn't say there's any issue with space.
No.
And then the cargo area is roomy as well. This is, as we mentioned, it's on the bigger side of the compact, almost intermediate size.
Yeah.
So it's not a small vehicle.
So I would say that my impressions of the VF8 are very good. I like the way that this handles and drives. And I think that the interior is spacious and comfortable.
It's interesting that this is an all-new electric vehicle, but it doesn't have a flat rear floor like most other electric cars. But it does have a frunk up front for additional storage.
Time now for questions, coffee, and cars.
Could you please explain a bit further how the battery subscription model works?
$50,000 plus a monthly fee of $139. Isn't it better to buy a gasoline car with such a fee or a hybrid?
The VinFast seems like a good car, especially the vehicle warranty, but I'm kind of confused on the monthly battery subscription. So welcome to Questions, Coffee, and Cars, not our usual format.
No,
and
look
we've-
where I am.
Yeah, and we've condensed it down to really one question, and that is about the subscription model that they have for their battery. So VinFast is doing things very differently from every other car brand. So you buy the car, you lease the car, and
Yeah.
then you pay a monthly subscription fee for the battery. Now,
Yes.
you guys are going to write below whether you think this is a good idea or a bad idea,
Yeah.
but put it this way, it's very different.
Yeah, so this is how it works. You're going to pay $139 a month Canadian for the VF8, and for the VF9 you're going to pay $199 per month. Now, one of the reasons why VinFast did this is because people are worried about the battery life. And what is the cost to replace a battery? $10,000 to $20,000. So VinFast guarantees that if the battery dips below 70% with charging capacity, they're going to replace it. Doesn't matter if it's at 4 years or it's at 8 years, that battery is going to be replaced for you.
Now, the big problem is with other car brands, if you get an electric car, most times the drivetrain is warranted for 10 years,
Yes.
right? So if you had, say, a Toyota or a Ford or something and the battery degraded down to 70% before that 10 years, you would hope that they would stand behind their battery.
Yeah.
So the big question is, why am I paying for the car and paying for the battery
Yeah.
as insurance when I already have a warranty? And this comes with a 10-year warranty already,
Yeah.
200,000 kilometers or 125,000 miles, but it's separate. That's for the
Yeah.
running gear of the car and the interior, and then the battery is separate. So I'm not sure this model is easy to understand and explain. And once again, you let us know what you think about this having to pay $110 in the US and
Yeah.
100 and what is it in Canada?
$139 in Canada. I kind of broke this down. Let's say you keep the vehicle for a 10-year period of time at $139 a month. That's going to cost you $16,800 over 10 years. Now, how many people actually keep the vehicle for that period of time? Let's say you're only leasing it for 3 years. That might be just an added expense for you. So you really got to look at what drives you to buy these vehicles. We have a follower who has put an order in on a VF8, and actually the battery subscription is what he likes. He is worried very much about having to replace the battery, and VinFast is taking care of that for him, and that puts him at ease getting into the EV market. I also spoke to another viewer who's got a fleet of vehicles for his company, and this sort of battery subscription puts him at ease because he doesn't want to have to replace the battery.
So this is why they're doing it. One is the upfront cost to either buy or lease the vehicle is lower because the battery is kept out of it. And they feel that the price every month to lease the battery is a small enough bite that people won't really notice compared to what they're paying for in gasoline just now.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure if this is something they're going to be married to forever. This is what they're doing to launch the vehicles, and they're doing it basically to keep the price down.
There is a flexible plan available for the VF8, and it starts at $39 Canadian per month for the first 500 kilometers, and you add 9 cents per extra kilometer. And VinFast says that that price will be guaranteed for the lifetime of the vehicle, even if you sell it to somebody else.
All right, so let's get into what the price is of this vehicle with our vital stats for the VF8. Let's start with pricing. The Eco model starts at $51,250 in Canada and $40,700 in the United States.
With a DC fast charger, standard range models will charge from 10 to 70% in about 24 minutes, and enhanced models 31 minutes.
VinFast has a direct-to-customer sales model where buyers can order a VF8 or VF9 online and then take delivery. Service is handled with a valet pickup and drop-off model or at-home service depending on what the vehicle needs.
You can reserve your VinFast model for $250 online. This is a fully refundable deposit. VinFast plans to open showrooms in Canada later this year in the provinces of Quebec, Ontario, and British Columbia.
In the U.S., VinFast has plans to open 30 stores in California alone by the end of this year and are looking at other states to make their vehicles more accessible.
The projected target date of the VF8 for deliveries is the end of the year, and the VF9, the 3-row SUV, early 2023.
Actually, full production at the facility here in Vietnam starts at the end of August 2022, so they are coming.
And you can expect the VF6 and VF7 to come to North America next year. So VinFast has got big plans, and they are going fully electric, no more gas models at the end of August.
Okay, so we are doing another video about our trip here to Vietnam, visiting the production facility, and who is VinFast and who is the Vin Group, the parent company of VinFast. So if it's been published, I'll put the card up here. It's definitely worth watching. Beautiful scenery, wonderful people, food, you're gonna love it. So
amazing.
Thanks for watching this, and that's a very first look at the VF8. What do you guys think? What do you think of that subscription model?
VinFast is living up to its name. It is moving fast. Keep an eye on this company.
So this company is not only a Vietnamese success story, it's got its eyes on North America by the end of this year and worldwide. They are going to be a player in the electric car game. And this first example, I think is pretty good. We can't wait to get it at home and take it for a longer ride. This video is brought to you by Car Cost Canada. Get the dealer's cost, list of rebates, plus discounted interest rates. Use the promo code MOTORMOUTH to become an expert member and get extra searches. The link is in the description below.